Okay, Mochi, are you ready to play a ribbon in a box? Ribbon in a box, bro. Ready, Mochi? This is one of his favorite games, going in the box and then watching the ribbon go in and out of the box. Mochi, what's up? We were playing before. I think he's The game has run its course. Mochi, you finished playing, Mochi? Everyone might want to watch you play. Wow. Alright, he's found my Chinese takeaway. You found my Chinese takeaway, Mochi? I love you, bro. What about Buzz Lightyear? To infinity and beyond. Like and subscribe for more Mochi.